Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Tempo, Makati para sa isang surprise gift delivery. Galing kay Sir Gilbert ng UAE. Halina't surprisahin natin si Ma'am Annalisa sa kanyang kaarawan.
Growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you,
Ma'am Annalisa po.
even let you hold
Ma'am, may
the
deliver
remote
tayo.
control. So let
Wait
me
lang po,
do the
hintayin
dishes in our kitchen sink.
Hello, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Had too much to drink.
Meron po kayo surprise gift delivery.
I
Galing po kay
could
Sir
be
Gilbert
the
ng
man
UAE.
who
Happy
grows
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Meron po akong madalang gift items.
Pwede po kayong pumasok.
Hi, baby!
Pasok kami, ma'am.
Again po, happy birthday. Meron po kayong surprise gift delivery. Galing po kay Sir Gilbert
carry
ng
you
UAE.
around when
Happy
you're
birthday.
Ito po yung mga gift items ni Sir sa inyo po. Meron po kayong balloons.
old with you.
And then yung bouquet of flowers po.
Ayan po.
Medicine when your
And then
tummy
yung gift
aches,
items.
build you a
Ito ba, pwede
fire.
nyo pong i-open.
Yan, ma'am. Gift item niyo po.
Could be so nice. Growing old with you.
Surprise talaga.
I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold.
Naluluhan siya. Ayan
Need
po.
Meron po kayong teddy bear.
Teddy bear po.
even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes
And
in
then,
our
syempre po,
kitchen sink.
pag my birthday,
Put you to bed
Meron
when
din
you
po
had
yung
too much.
cake.
Cake.
Oh, I could
Ayan po,
be
you
the
have cake,
man
You have cake po.
who
Yan pa.
grows old with you. I wanna grow.
And then, syempre po, meron po siyang konting mensahe po sa inyo na gusto pong iparating. Hi, mahal ko. Gusto ko lang
Make you
gusto ko
smile.
lang naman sanang batiin ka ng maligayang kaarawan. Kaso ang boring
Carry you
naman.
around when
Kaya
your
gumawa ako ng konting
arthritis is
effort para
bad.
sa'yo.
All
Mahal, I
I want
always thinks to God kasi ikaw yung pinakaloob sa akin na maging nanay ng anak ko.
I'll get you
Madami-dami na din ang pagsubok na dumaan sa atin, lalo na ang mga kalokohan ko.
build you a
Nagpapasalamat ako
fire,
kasi
furnace break
nagagawa mo pa
so
din ako patawarin at
you'll
hindi
be
ka
so
sumuko.
nice.
Message ko na lang yung iba. Once again, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Ingatan mo lagi anak natin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Darating yung araw na magkakasama din tayo. Love you, mahal. Enjoy your birthday.
Wow.
Happy birthday po.
Even let you hold
Happy
the
birthday
remote
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Then wish niyo po muna. Dami. Bago niyo po i-blow, syempre.
make you smile whenever you're sad.
Happy
Carry you around when
birthday.
your
Bigay niyo ng
arthritis
cake,
is
ma'am.
bad.
Happy birthday, mahal ko.
All I
From
wanna
Gilbert.
Old
And then,
with
syempre po, may messages sa inyo kanina. Hingi po kami ng konting message niya.
Message niyo po sa kanya, ma'am.
when your tummy aches.
Inis ka, paandar mo. Kaya pala hindi ka bumabate. Simula kang gabi. May
Could be
ganito.
so nice.
Yun lang, ingat ka dyan.
Growing old
Tapos
with
first
you.
time, kaya nakakaiyak. 30 years of joy naman.
I'll
Ingat ka dyan, mahal ko.
miss
Love you.
you,
At may
kiss
kailangan
you,
glow yung words.
give you my coat when you are cold.
Yeah.
Need you, feed you, even even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. Put you to bed when you've had too much to drink.